Okay. Traders. Yeah, welcome to the weekend analysis. It is another day and another time. So as usual, I'm going to share a quick market outlook on gold. So this is gold spot, and this is analysis for the coming week. Now this will be from 16th of September to 20th of September. So it is just a 5 days market move. And it's just an overall projection that include wave counts, also the candlestick patterns. So make sure that you add your own analysis, and also make sure that you watch analysis from other traders so that you have confidence on those entries that are going to be provided in this analysis. And also this analysis is the top-down analysis from the monthly time frame. Then I'll be going down to 4-hour time frame, and in the 4-hour time frame is where I provide those key entries and key areas to consider next week. So make sure that you watch this video until the 4-hour time frame. So I'm in a monthly time frame, and quickly, okay, so in monthly time frame, what we see is always this term, and actually this correlates with my previous week analysis where I pointed out that actually the previous monthly candlestick had this formation that always is followed by a stronger bullish momentum. So this is exactly what is happening in the monthly time frame, but we still have 16 days for the monthly candlestick to close, so we cannot conclude that this monthly candlestick is going to close in this formation. So it may have further or more bullish momentum, or it may have rejections, but in most cases we are looking strongly bullish in monthly time frame. Then quickly, let me go to weekly time frame and see what we call the key highlights or the key points to consider in weekly time frame. So in weekly time frame, always stronger bullish momentum as it is in monthly time frame. But actually this bullish momentum is just in completion of the fifth wave of the third wave. So we are in completion of a particular move to the upside. So to indicate that this is the fifth wave, you can see that momentum is fading out. So if you look here, there's divergence. So you compare this level down here with this level in this chart, you will find that this is the highest level in RSI, but in price chart there's another high that has been created, but there's fail of spike in RSI. So this indicates the loss of momentum, or the buying volume is decreasing now at this level. So actually there's a level here because now price has created a historical high, so we don't have previous levels to compare. So actually, based on the equality of these previous waves here, so based on equality, so we expect now this swing is expected to move up to this level above here. So always that is the projection. So we still have some space for price to move to the upside. So in lower time frames now, we will see clearly what is happening. So quickly, let me go to daily time frame. In daily time frame, there are a lot of things, but I'm going to highlight the key ones. So basically, we see the historical high as usual. So this level that we were expecting previous week, so it has been broken. So I was talking about the 2530. So it has been broken, and as I said, the price is going to move beyond this level, and that has exactly happened in 2 days, or the last 2 days of the week. So basically, by breaking this level, we expect the price in the future is going to come back to this level. But actually, it's not straightforward that next week price is going to move to this level. So we still have other movements before price to this level. So basically, we see this trend line above, and actually price is in completion of this third wave here. So we have the 1, 2, then a 3 to the upside, then a 4 here. So actually, we're in completion of the fourth wave. So the overall map in daily time frame, I can provide the overall map. So we are looking forward for price to complete the third wave. Then after completion of the third wave, we'll be looking for the fourth wave down. So we'll be looking for the fourth wave. Let me undo this. Something wrong has happened. So the third wave, then we'll be looking for the fifth wave before price completes the fifth wave to the upside. So actually, this is the overall map in daily time frame, but in 4-hour time frame, we'll see now what are we going to do next week. So basically, going straight to 4-hour time frame. To 4-hour time frame, let me see. So yes, this is exactly the 4-hour time frame. This is exactly and now we have the overall map provided in daily time frame. And actually now you can see now in 4-hour time frame, this is the detailed breakdown, whereby we see actually next week now we'll be looking for a possible correction. We'll be looking for a possible correction before price has completed. Okay, there's something wrong here again. Oh, there's something wrong. I hope it is just the internet issue. I think it is the internet issue. Always my cursor is stacking. I don't know if it's just the surface I'm using or it is just internet. Yes, so let me do it again. So next week we'll be looking for this possible move to the downside and then to the upside. So how are you going to trade? So now you'll be watching for price to push down up to the levels of now around this region, now around this region down here. So it is now to the level of 25.66 up to the level of 25.53. So it is where now you'll be looking for this possible buy to the upside. So this buy is expected to be up to the level of 26.30. Then from there we'll be watching for a possible correction again to the same level. And actually for next week I can say we'll be just watching for these buys. If market will be fast enough, so we can also look for those possible corrections. So that's the overall projection, and we are not going to look for this push in the fifth wave to the upside, because this is going to happen in the coming weeks now, maybe after 2 weeks. So that is the overall projection. Watch for buys next week. So thank you for your time and have a powerful weekend.